God, we're so bad.
Oh shit.
Did you just crash?
What the fuck was you trying to do?
I was lower than I thought I was. I was
You
in
sure
first
were?
person.
You almost hit that fucking basketball hoop.
Whoops. I was in first person and couldn't tell how high I was.
I think I'm gonna record that one.
Do it. Oh man.
You keep flying over the hoop. I'm like, he's gonna hit the fucking construction.
I was in first person inside the cockpit. I thought I had way more space than I guess I did.
Maybe you spawned loot for me. Yeah, you did. Thank you. Oh my god, that was bad.
At the last second, I was like, "This isn't going well," and then I tried to like turn a little bit. Whoops. Is there no gap in this fence that I can run out of? Holy shit.